Okay, ready?
Yeah. You know, actually, no, we're good. Oh, hit every bump. Not the best day. Oh, I don't even know what that. Almost lost the pedal there. Kinda did, honestly. Definitely lost it. On third thought. Ooh, they smoothed that out. They smoothed that out too. Oh, I didn't go off that. That was dumb. Yo! That was bad. Okay. Alright. Could have been better. Could have been better. They changed it again. Oh my god, my fingers. Just skip the upper section, honestly. No, no. Oh. Ay, ay. Oh, that was pretty bad. Well, don't take that line, folks. You want to go 52 miles an hour. Okay, well. Oh, alright. Alright. That was abysmal. Alright. Went to feeling like a kid. Oh crap. Oh crap. Almost died. Still. Oh frick. Alright. Whew. Alright. We're rolling. Yeah. Wee. Alright. You know what? Let's not do this. Let's not do it.
That thing sends you over here. You have to be careful. We should get off this trail.
Yeah, let's get off.
You going that way?
All right.
You ready?
You ready? Yep. That was sick. Can we squeeze through? Sorry. Dude, I swear to God, it's bamboo. I swear to, oh, holy shit. I feel like I'm about to die every second on bamboo. Man, I love the beginning too. I hate that this trail's closed. Little bunch of dicks. You know, like the bottom section for the last 15 seconds of the trail is great. The top 15 seconds of the trail is great. And the middle minute is so ass. I mean, I think it's recording, I can't tell. Does it say like a little time ticking down? All right, perfect.
Red.
Yep. You come into that rock drop at the end so fast now.
Yeah, they gotta add another jump line down here. So I can get the whole mountain.
You do.
The what jump?
The little rock drop at the end.
Oh, right there?
You're just coming in with so much speed now. It's just crazy. Totally agree though. They need more blue jumps somewhere at the bottom here. They just got these wall rides and berms. It's like little like But man, that's fun. What do you want to do? Wall rides or berms?
You Gambu or Alpine?
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Let's do Ripper. I forgot to pause. You know what? I think I'm. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Yo, that was a little bit too hard. All right, the jump run's a little slow.
That was sick.
It was sick though, right? It keep coming straighter. You have more speed, right? Like it used to. Yes, we're good. You ready, Dad?
Yeah, you guys can go.
Thank you.
Good luck.
You too. Yeah, I did. So fucking good. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Wish it was a little bit better. Oh! Man, that was a run. Holy crap. Dad, you know that? Oh, yeah. Can you actually hold my glasses? Sorry. I usually put them somewhere. Thank you. All right, let's see.
Outbreak?
Yeah, breakout.
No, the one over here.
Oh, outlaw, you mean? Yeah, we could do outlaw.